Let's take a look at 3 free tools, the only tools that you need to get started with affiliate marketing. Inside my Affiliating Accelerator, when I show people what they need to utilize the top strategy, of course the top strategy being traffic. Traffic from simple how-to videos right here on YouTube over to an offer that you present on a squeeze page, and on that squeeze page you collect email addresses and put people on an email list to follow up with them. And all this is done in the Affiliating Accelerator in step 2, and it's all done with 3 simple tools. Of course, the first thing you need to do is sign up to Google, open up a YouTube account, and then start creating consistent content. And of course, to create that consistent content, like the content you see here on my channel, you need a screen recorder, and you can get started for free with ScreenPal. I made a video showing exactly how this software works. You can check that out. There's a card up here. It'll take you over to that video. Also a link in the description to grab ScreenPal and check out that video so you can get started simply making videos, simple how-to videos that you can use to start as an affiliate marketer right here on YouTube. Next up is GetResponse. You can get it for free, link in the description. You can see here that you can build a website, start generating leads, and run email marketing campaigns for free. This is essentially showing people your offer on your squeeze page and then adding those people to an email list and following up with them. Of course, once you create your YouTube channel and you have your YouTube channel and you start creating the videos, you will need thumbnails as well as some channel art. For example, the header or the banner you see here at the top of your YouTube channel. The next free tool that you probably already know about, but you might not realize, lets you do everything that you need simply with the ability to create YouTube thumbnails as well as a YouTube banner. You simply just click on YouTube thumbnails. It takes you over. There's a whole list of thumbnails here, and you can keep it super simple just by clicking on a thumbnail you like, and then it turns into drag and drop. And you simply just edit this and make it something that represents your channel. Same for the thumbnails. You simply just click, it opens a thumbnail template, and you simply just click. It opens up that template, you click, and you can simply just delete the things that you don't want, and then add in any other elements that you might like to add to that thumbnail. Head back over to your newly created YouTube channel and select Create, Upload Video. Select the video that you just made with your free ScreenPal, upload it, add links over to your squeeze page that you created with GetResponse, create a few emails, load them up into GetResponse, and once somebody watches your video here on YouTube, they'll click on your link, land over on that squeeze page that you created for free. They'll get those follow-up emails from GetResponse, again, all done for free, link in the description. Check it out if you got any questions, or if you want to see exactly how I do this step by step, utilizing my top strategy, click on the video you see on the screen right now. Look forward to seeing that video, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.